Now we have developed and manufactured Inverter Vector Control E180 Universal Type Inverter, E00, E102 Series Inverters, and Small Economic EM60 Series Inverter. Compared with the old frequency inverters, E-Series inverters are improved substantially besides its optimized structure and appearance. Their powerful built-in functions much better fulfill the needs of different industries. Besides frequency inverters, we also develop and manufacture the welding machines, including MMA welding machine, TIG welding machine, TIG MMA welding machine, CO2 MIG welding machine, air plasma cutter, AC/DC TIG welding machine, submerged arc welding machine. All of our products are widely applied in aviation, shipbuilding, bridges, constructions, automobiles, pressure vessels, and industries of mineral and metal processing.